Stop wasting hours summarizing huge documents. Gemini's 2M token context window changes everything. After watching this, you'll be able to leverage Gemini 3.0 Pro's massive 2 million token context window to analyze entire codebases, research libraries, or customer data in minutes, getting instant, specific answers from vast datasets. The problem why this matters? Traditional LLMs choke on large inputs, forcing manual summarization or chunking. Most people still struggle to feed full projects or deep research into AI efficiently. Gemini 3.0 Pro's 2M tokens enable unprecedented deep analysis and specific reference from colossal datasets. Getting set up. Accessing Gemini 3.0 Pro, API, or Gemini Advanced subscription. Understanding token limits. What 2 million tokens really looks like. For example, entire codebase, thousands of pages. Tips for preparing large text files or data for input, e.g. concatenation, removing unnecessary formatting.
Core technique, step by step. Step 1. Uploading your vast document, e.g. full codebase, research paper, year of transcripts, directly into Gemini's prompt. Step 2. Crafting precise prompts for deep analysis, e.g. find all security vulnerabilities in auth.py, or summarize customer sentiment regarding feature X in Q2 2026. Key variable. Referencing specific sections or lines within the document for exact answers. Advanced tips and variations. Power user trick. Using system instructions to define Gemini's role when analyzing large texts. Power user trick. Iterative questioning on the same large document for multi-layered insights. Combination with another tool. Using code interpreter features to analyze tabular data within the context window. Real-world results. Concrete example. Demoing a prompt with a large research paper and Gemini accurately pinpointing a specific methodology or result. Time saved. Imagine days of manual review reduced to minutes for developers, researchers, or analysts.
Code debugging, literature review, legal document analysis, comprehensive market research. Subscribe to AI Tips for more practical AI tutorials.